You know, I never thought I'd be the kind of person to rave about a tonic, but here I am, and I can't help it. Let me tell you about how Nagano Tonic changed my life. So picture this. I was in a bit of a rut. Work was stressful, my energy was low, and I just felt, well, kind of blah. I tried everything. Coffee, energy drinks, you name it, but nothing really worked. Then a friend of mine mentioned Nagano Tonic. At first I was skeptical. I mean, how could a tonic really make a difference? But I decided to give it a shot. I ordered a bottle, and when it arrived, I was curious but cautious. The first sip? Wow! It was refreshing, with this unique blend of flavors that just made me feel alive. And get this, it's packed with all these natural ingredients. I'm talking about adaptogens, antioxidants, and vitamins that are supposed to boost your mood and energy levels. I started drinking it every morning, and within a week, I noticed a shift. I was more focused at work, my stress levels were down, and I actually felt excited about my day. The best part? It's not just about energy, it's about balance. I felt calmer, more centered, and ready to tackle whatever life threw at me. I even started sharing it with my friends, and they were blown away too. It's like this little secret weapon for everyday life. So, if you're feeling stuck, or just need a pick-me-up, I can't recommend Nagano Tonic enough. It's not just a drink, it's been a game changer for my well-being. Trust me, give it a try. You might just find your new favorite tonic too.